So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to teach you guys how to extend and melt your wigs, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about this glue. You guys, this KissAllMightyBond lace wig glue. I love this, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all how to use it. It's amazing. The hair I'm using today is a lace frontal wig from Beautyforeverhair. The hair on this wig was a 26-inch, and I believe the density was 180. So I also have some bundles of 30-inch hair. I have 3 bundles, and I ended up using about a pack and a half to extend this wig. First thing you want to do is go ahead and put your wig on a mannequin head and just section off the hair to the area where you can see the tracks. So what I did was section off the area where the tracks were, and then I just pinned the hair up. And what you want to do is just go in and double your wefts and literally sew them right onto your wig. It is super easy, and you just want to go in between the tracks and sew the extra tracks onto the wig in the empty spaces, as you guys can see here in the video. So once I was done sewing in the hair, I did go in and bleach my knots, and I found this new bleach at Sally's, and I was like, let me just give it a try. You guys, when I say I fell in love with this bleach, like, it works so good, and I've never had bleach this consistency. To me, it smells and looks like cake batter. Like, it was no harsh smell, it didn't burn, and it bleached my knots beautifully. I didn't have to re-bleach my knots or do anything. Like, they came out the correct tone. I used a volume 30, and I let it develop for about 25 minutes. Amazing, y'all, just perfect. I did go in and color this hair jet black, so I'm just using some Revlon Color Silk in black, and I'm just going to apply it all over the hair. And at the front, where the frontal is, you just want to part off small sections of hair and just apply the color very lightly and carefully. And I decided to put some curls in it. I just wanted the nice loose curls, so I just went around and did curls all over the entire wig. Like, it was really easy. The hair is just like so luxurious and bouncy. Beauty Forever has definitely upgraded their hair. This feels like some of the best hair I've ever gotten from them. Once I was done curling this hair, I jumped right into installing it, and I'm gonna go to that clip right now. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our wig application, and I do have my hair braided straight back. All of my hair is braided in. I just gelled up my baby hairs. I'm gonna take some 91% alcohol and just clean around my hairline, just to make sure it's no makeup or glue or anything like that, because you do want this area to be nice and clean. And I like to use this wig grip just for further security, to make sure my hair doesn't move, my wig doesn't move at all. I did get a new wig grip. I can't wait to show it to you guys. It is so good. So I really like this unit because it did come pre-plucked, so it's not a lot that I need to do to the wig. I'm just looking at the areas I want to go in and maybe pluck a little bit more myself. So this is the hairline without me plucking or any manipulation. I do think it comes with a really good hairline straight out of the box, but because I have like such a low hairline, I definitely need to go in and give it a little bit more pluck, because I like my wigs a little bit more thinned out than this. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, you guys, like right up in this area. So I'm gonna take care of that, and I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, that looks a lot better. Just had to thin it out just a little bit, not a lot. So once I have everything looking good and a good placement, I'm gonna go ahead and just flip my hair back so I can begin gluing. So the glue I'm using today is actually a new glue. I've never used this before, but I'm really excited to try it. And this is the KissAllMightyBond lace front wig glue. And I like this glue because it comes with a precision tip and also a silicone tip. So I'm just gonna open it and show each one to you guys. So this one right here is the silicone tip. And I like this because you won't have to use any other applicators. You can like literally just apply it right onto the skin. It's definitely nice and soft. I really like how this feels. It also comes with a precision tip, and the precision tip is just like a tip you can use to do like small touch-ups and things like that. Usually when I apply my lace front wigs, I like to use, you know, like my comb. And I have this little edge brush. It's by Kiss as well. And it has this like little spatula thing. And this is what I would usually use to spray out my glue. But since this glue already has a dual tip applicator, you really don't have to use a whole lot of different tools. Everything comes built in, and that'll make everything faster and easier to do. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of glue out just like that, and I'm gonna start applying it to my hairline. And as you guys can see, I do have like a pretty low hairline, so I actually let a little bit of the glue touch my edges. I never have a problem with it taking out my edges or anything like that, so yeah. And this applicator really makes it easy to apply a nice thin layer. And I think this will help you prevent from like over applying a whole lot of glue, because doing lace wigs sometimes you can very easily apply too much glue, and this just helps you put out the right amount. And you want a nice thin layer of glue. You don't want it to be, you know, thick and goopy, because then it's going to take forever to dry and it's just going to mess up your wig, and we don't want that. And I'm noticing that this glue dries down extremely fast. So this side is already almost dry. I'm gonna let it completely dry clear before I come back and do a second layer of glue, okay? So it looks pretty clear. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my second layer of glue. And honestly, you guys, I was surprised at how easy and fast using this glue is. I thought it was kind of gonna be weird using glue with like an applicator, but it's so fast. Like, this would be perfect for somebody like if you're in a rush, you know, putting on your wig, you don't have all day. It definitely cuts down on application time, so you can apply your wigs a lot faster, because we ain't got all day, okay? We need something that's fast, easy, and reliable. Y'all, I'm honestly loving not having to use like my comb right now. Like, this is so simple and it's so genius. Like, I don't know who thought to do this, but it was a great idea. And this glue has a pleasant smell too. It's not strong or anything like that. It really doesn't even have a smell. It's just nice and light. The applicator is really easy to clean. Like, you can just wipe it off like this, or you can use like some alcohol and a rag or something just to clean it, so next time you use it, it's not dirty or anything like that. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry all the way down, and I'll be right back. So everything looks nice and clear. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull my lace directly down over the glue. You just want to press it into place. So this is how everything is looking right now. Just going to continue to press it into place before I go in and cut my lace. I'm using these really sharp Singer scissors, and I'm just going to cut my lace. So I like to turn my scissors like to the side and just like move them back and forth. Okay, you guys, so far so good. Like, I think I'm really liking this glue. So I'm just gonna brush down a little bit of baby hair. And this is the hair I'm gonna just go back in and cut. Okay, you guys, so this is how everything is looking. Y'all, I really love this glue, and I love this lace. I low-key kind of don't want to cut my baby hairs, because once you cut them, it's no coming back. It's just, that's it. So I really like the look of like a softer baby hair right now. I'm not gonna gel them. I'm just gonna like move them into place. Hair is so shiny. Do you see it? Wow, you guys, I really love my hair. Like, this hair from Beautyforeverhair is bomb, y'all. Like this lace. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look on my hair. You guys see me curl it. All I did was finger comb those curls out just so I can have this really pretty, nice, like breezy look. The lace turned out perfect. You guys, you definitely have to try this glue. This glue is amazing. It's very strong. It dries fast. It's super easy to use. I've never put on my lace front this fast. Like this glue, this is my new favorite. I'm gonna see how many days this lasts, but right now it's popping. I only need like, I usually like my wigs to be on for like 3 days, 2 to 3 days, and I redo them. So far, so good. You guys, it looks so good. And if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have it linked below. This is Beautyforeverhair. This is their 26-inch lace frontal wig, and then I added a bundle and a half of 30 into the back just to make it long and fuller. So if you guys are interested in anything from today's tutorial, I will have everything linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.